Well, is it really the best value for money? Let's find out. Simgot EW200 had been my daily driver for past 1 week. Here are my thoughts. I have divided it into these categories. So let's start with the build quality. It has a very good build quality, metal shells with glossy finish. They have fingerprint magnet. I was surprised how little I care for it once I wear them. It has standard 0.78mm 2-pin connection stock cable, which is of a very good quality. For comfort, these are really good. You won't even realize you're wearing them after 15 to 20 minutes. They're really small and comfortable. So here are the specifications for your reference. They come with a single dynamic driver and they're fairly easy to drive. I was able to drive them with all my decks, so they can get fairly loud easily, which makes them a very good daily driver as well. Tuning for EW200 is more in a U-shaped manner and it follows the Harman 2016 target, so naturally a good emphasis on lower and upper frequencies. Upper midrange and treble is on a little energetic side, as you can see in the graph from 2000 to 8000 frequencies, which did elevate the female vocals and add a little shimmer and air to the sound. Let's check it out in details. Let's start with the bass. EW200 has a very good tactile bass with good mid-bass thumb. However, a slight touch of rumble in sub-bass would have been a more fulfilling low end on this set. For example, if you listen to Acid Rain by Lorne, it has a really good mid-bass thumb. However, in the song, the sub-bass rumble is totally absent. Overall, I would say it's a fast and impactful bass. So now let's talk about mids. So mids in EW200 are textured and has a touch of warmth in lower mids. The upper mids are little on the energetic side, which adds a little shimmer in the vocals, especially female vocals. So I find them very enjoyable. For example, if you listen to Hunter by Jorg, it can be a little shiny for some. At the same time, the vocals after 1 minute 36 seconds are so energetic, they tend to overshadow the bass line behind those vocals. And one more reason for that is the lack of sub-bass rumble in these sets. So the treble is well extended. I was so waiting to say this. So let's move on. So the treble is well extended, airy and sparkly, however on a little energetic side. Well, the energy and vibrancy on these sets, especially in upper mid-range and treble, is infectious. You just want to listen it more. It makes anything above 2K bright and bring everything to life. Cymbals, hi-hats pop really beautifully in the song. If you listen to Come Together by Beatles, it's very good and lifelike. Cymbals, hi-hats, pops, drums, guitar, everything has a good place and layering in the song. Especially around 3 minutes 15 seconds when the solo comes, you feel the need and goodness of the energy there. Tone and timbre on this set is towards the natural side. Female vocals comes out a little shiny and male vocals has a little richness to it. In terms of detail and imaging, I would say it's okay. It has all the details, however sometimes it struggles to pop them up, especially in the sub-bass region where it struggles to pick the details. The imaging is very precise here, and combined with the holographic soundstage that these have, it comes like a package. So you are able to pinpoint specifically where the sound is coming with a little sense of depth as well. If you listen to They Just Haven't Seen It by San Holo, the intro literally revolves in circle around your head. EW200 had no problem picking it up. Rhythm and timing is almost perfect in these sets. Fast bass, clustered sounds, multiple instruments, it has no issues harmonizing it. I have no complaints here, it is better than the price it comes with. For dynamic ranges, EW200 is vibrant and energetic, and if you listen to rock, it adds one hell of a sparkle. Now let's compare EW200 with the competition Truthear Zero Red. EW200 clearly has a better build here in terms of both IEM and cable. It has solid metal build and a sturdy, good quality cable as compared to the Reds. If I talk about bass, Red's bass is better in sub-bass region. However, EW200's mid-bass thumb is stronger and tactile. While both have their strength and weakness, Red has overall better texture in bass. If you like bass a lot, I would say none of them are for you. However, out of the two, Red has a little better sub-bass. EW200 has a better mid bass. In terms of mid, Red has natural timbre and tone with well-defined overall mids. However, EW200 has rich and touch of warmth in lower mids with energetic upper mids. I would say all inclusive, Red has better mids for my liking. Now for the treble, EW200 has a sparkly and spicy treble, which adds shimmer to mids as well, especially in female vocals. Red is more tamed and relaxed in comparison. If you're treble sensitive, go for the red, otherwise EW200 is a better choice. It has that infectious energy that you will appreciate. Both are good set of IEM in terms of details. In $50 segment, they both are clear winner for details, imaging and separation. For soundstage, EW200 has a holographic soundstage, while Red has more left to right approach. EW200 emerges as a better one here. It is ever so slightly wider of the two, so if you're getting it for gaming, go for EW200. Overall, EW200 and Red goes head to head in all the categories. You cannot go wrong with either of the set. Red is correct IEM for almost any frequency and has better timbre. You can appreciate Red in its correctness and its class apart tuning if you are an audiophile who like to get new things and try different tastes. However, you will love EW200 if you are buying it as your first under $50 IEM and you're not treble sensitive. They are energetic and fun. To simply put, they rock. I would give EW200 a solid 4 out of 5 stars. It's a very good value for money IEM. These are amazing sets of IEM which I think most people love to buy under $50. It's a different take on tuning which is still Harman, however with a Simgot's energetic take on it. And I would say Simgot nailed it. They definitely punch above their price. So I loved EW200. They are definitely a good recommendation from my side. Thank you for watching this video. Do like and subscribe. IE200 is dropping in next video. So stay tuned and I'll see you on the next one.